No, I'm alright, sorry. I was one of our customers made the music that's going with this.
Oh really?
So they're supposed to be...
We're in Ramsgate though, there might be just a couple of lads running around with a flashlight. I see Rockers was in the Mocha Lake. Thorley ever they go again?
What is that about?
Thorley wants him to lose his music license.
What is that?
No idea. We are in the seafront, aren't we?
Yeah, you got to live in here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Holiday place, you go anywhere else around the world, you're going to get...
You've got to have something to bring people down here. If you cut the music out, nobody will come down here no more. Get on the PA system. And everybody's welcome at the Belgian bar afterwards. But drinks aren't on the house.
We've had a good day.
I bet you have. But you've got to use these days, don't you? They've got to get you through the winter time.
That's right.
Still available when you need me.
Yeah, okay, Gary, I know. I've got your number there.
I bet you still got my name on the till, haven't you?
Yeah, I think I have.